The silent signal. In the small town of Willow Creek, everyone knew each other. It was a place where secrets were hard to keep, but one secret had been buried for years. Lena was a high school student, always glued to her phone. Her parents often warned her about the dangers of excessive phone use, but she shrugged it off. Everyone's on their phone, she would say. One evening, Lena received a mysterious message from an unknown number: "Meet me at the old library at midnight. I have something important to show you." Intrigued and a bit scared, she decided to go. She didn't tell anyone, not even her best friend, Mia. As midnight approached, Lena sneaked out of her house, her phone lighting the way. The old library was abandoned, a relic of the past. She pushed open the creaky door and stepped inside. The air was thick with dust, and the only sound was the faint hum of her phone. Suddenly, her phone buzzed again. "Go to the basement," the message read. Lena hesitated, but curiosity got the better of her. She found the basement door and descended the stairs. The basement was dark, but her phone's flashlight cut through the gloom. In the corner, she saw a figure. It was an old man, his face hidden in the shadows. "Who are you?" Lena asked, her voice trembling. The man stepped forward, revealing a face lined with age and worry. "I am the guardian of this town's secrets," he said. "And you, Lena, are in danger." Lena's heart raced. "What do you mean?" The man pointed to her phone. "That device is not just a tool, it's a trap. It distracts you, isolates you, and makes you vulnerable. Tonight, you were lured here by someone who knows your habits, someone who wants to harm you." Lena's blood ran cold. She realized how much she had relied on her phone, how it had consumed her life. "What should I do?" she asked. "Leave your phone behind," the man said. "Reconnect with the real world, with your family and friends. Only then will you be safe." Lena nodded, understanding the gravity of his words. She turned off her phone and left it on the basement floor. As she walked back home, she felt a strange sense of freedom. The night was quiet, and for the first time in a long while, she noticed the stars. From that day on, Lena used her phone sparingly. She spent more time with her family, reconnected with old friends, and discovered new hobbies. The mysterious messages stopped, and the old library remained silent. Lena never forgot the lesson she learned that night. Sometimes, the most dangerous traps are the ones we create for ourselves. Thank you very much for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel and like our content.